I know you're looking at it. See, I told you I was a broke boy, so don't be surprised. Alright, so today's video starts in the van. Guessing I gotta check engine light, I don't care. Basically, just got word that my new fuel filter for the red car came. So, I already had to run to the store. I'm gonna go grab my son his formula. And then I'm gonna head over to my parents' house. That's where I have my stuff, because I don't really trust it here at the post office that fails to give me everything. But anyway, yeah, I've been over to my parents' house. I'm gonna go grab that. And then I don't think we're getting a video of installing it today. So this might be a 2-day thing, 3-day thing. We'll see when. We'll see when we get to it. It's cold outside today again. Got some nasty wintry mix. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get a move on, get over there, and then I'll do an unboxing for you when I get that. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, package secured. I got our fittings. Should be -6 and -8. There's your -6. -8 for later if we upgrade. So with a cheap eBay one. PQY. It's better than the one that's on it. The other one that's on it is a whole no name. There's nothing on it. This one's a little bit bigger. Feels good. Nice and heavy. Now I just gotta hope these O-rings don't go bad. Well, she's in service mode, so you know what that means. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is still snowing, raining-ish. Don't say I don't be out here, alright? This is for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get that little sucker out of there. We'll get a side-by-side comparison for you. Just to give you a comparison. That's what we're dealing with. I'm gonna go ahead and get this other one put together real quick. So you can't get an angle for that. Fittings here. Got our 6 ANs. Okay. Go ahead and pop it in. Okay. Get our adjustables. Okay. One down. This other one. Let me make sure that O-ring's good. I'm only getting on here like halfway. Not enough room to get on the whole thing. But this works. So. Just snugging them up without doing that. Oh man. Anyway, it's fine. So, there we go. That's complete. I'll go ahead and slap it in. And there she is. There's a new guy. It sits a little higher. Obviously, it's like 3 times, 4 times the size. Yeah, I know my lines are beat. But we're going to go ahead, hook the battery up. Turn the key on. We'll see if we have any leaks. Go ahead, put our negative on. The battery might be shot too, we'll see. Yeah, that's not on. And we have power to the light. So now we'll go ahead, hop back around. Oh, Left the key in the car. Anyway. Cold out here, got my nose running. Okay. So yeah, let's hop in here. Heater still works. See if we got any leaks. Looks dry to me. That pressure. Huh. I guess let's throw it in neutral so I can start it because the starter doesn't work again. Use this bad boy. Here's my starter. There she goes. Whew! The coldest start. Coldest of starts. The only issue is I do have a little bit of a leak. Now that it's been going for a second, you can see down there. Oh, she's wet. It's dripping down and past there on the subframe. So obviously I have to tighten that up. But anyway, yeah, we got it installed. I'll take care of that off camera. We got you a cold start. This girl hasn't been started in a minute. So yeah, let me see if I can get it fixed. Just tighten up the line. Shouldn't be much. It's probably leaking right out the bottom. My hand tightened it because I couldn't get to it right, but I'll get to it. Yeah, my car still runs, man. Don't count her out. I could take it to the track and run it. It'd be fine at the track. It's just no inspection, you know? And then there's just a simple fact that the axles are bent, so it won't pass inspection because it'll do things it's not supposed to do. But yeah, I also still got to do that. Speedometer still don't work. Reverse lights still don't work. I just got to wire them. But yeah, she runs. Idle just came down, which means she's running good. Still kind of high. But yeah, there you go. I guess that was a success. I just got to tighten that little line up. But yeah, it works.